Whew, because I'm stressed out. I think, it's trying to blind me.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today I'm beating my face, but I'm gonna be doing a bunch of TikTok trends that I have picked up on TikTok that I actually really like. We're just gonna dive right in. I'm not gonna talk too much. I have on moisturizer, sunscreen. I'm gonna put on a little bit of this Milk matte primer because I'm gonna be outside today. I'm going to an event on Miami Beach, so we don't want to be, you know, sweating, greasy, all that, even though I probably will be sweaty and greasy. This is the primer that I use, and then I'm gonna go in with this Kosas foundation. Whew, this is the Revealer in the shade 410. I'm just gonna do one pump. This foundation is my perfect summer shade, and it's also really matte, but it doesn't look like super cakey or dry or anything like that. It kind of looks like skin. So the first trend that I have been loving that I tried the other day is the ombre concealer trend. You're putting like a lighter concealer, a medium concealer, and then blushes, like an ombre effect, and it is so pretty. This is the e.l.f. concealer and the Oma Beauty Stay Woke concealer, and I'll put links to everything obviously in the description box. And then I'm gonna go in with the Oma Beauty one, which is in the shade Brown Sugar. I picked up these really vibrant liquid blushes from NYX, and they're like $9. The first one is called Almost Famous. Really pretty orange. Look at that. I actually can't wait to do like just blush by itself with this orange color. It's so pigmented. The next shade is called Showgirl, and it's like a mauve purplish. So pretty. Let me turn this down a bit so y'all can see the color. Let me not forget, because I almost forgot last time to put some concealer on other parts of my face, so I'm gonna do it now. Can't forget the mustache. Let's blend everything else first before going under the eye. I've really been enjoying trying different challenges and playing with these little like TikTok trends, because you know, makeup can get a little boring doing the same thing over and over and over again. So it's kind of been fun playing around, and I really like how this ombre concealer thing looks. I'm gonna do it right now. Y'all will see. If it's y'all first time seeing this, it's really pretty. I'm gonna start with the concealer first, and I also have really been enjoying blending my concealer with a brush, and then I'm gonna go right into the color, and I'm gonna blend it just like how I would blend concealer. So you can see it kind of looks like I just put my blush up here, but it just looks so pretty. And even though I use these bright blushes, the color payoff is not like, once you blend it, it's really nothing too crazy. Like, I feel like it's not super dramatic. I mean, it's dramatic, you can see that, but it's nothing like, oh, you can't wear this out because it's so extra. You could definitely wear this out. I mean, I'm about to wear it out right now. And once I do the rest of my face, it's also gonna just blend really nice. Now I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer just to bronze my face. I've had this brush from Laura Mercier for years, and I never get rid of it. It just gets right where it needs to. Like, look at the shape. It's literally the perfect shape. I got this pink under eye powder, or just setting powder, from One Size. I didn't know how I was gonna like it, because, you know, it's really out of my comfort zone. But when I tell you I love it, I only used it one time, and it blurs the face. It makes it just look really smooth, like perfect. And it's just a great setting powder. For some reason, I had tried the other powder that's not pink from this line. I didn't love it, but maybe, I don't know why, but I love this one. And I think it's the same exact powder, just pink. But for some reason, I love this a lot more. So pink under eye powder is definitely a trend right now, and I didn't know, you know, how it would look on my skin. It looks so good. This is also like a matte powder. Like, this is a full coverage type of powder. I feel like One Size makes products for that purpose, like full coverage transforming products, which I'm not really like a huge fan of that makeup look, but I do like this powder. Turn it down a little bit. That looks more like how I look right now. More true to color. It was looking a little washed out. This One Size powder foundation, and this is in the shade Dark 5. I'm gonna powder my face and also just blend everything together because I know it's looking a little crazy. Another trend that I really have been loving is the one layer makeup trend. I think Chloe Morello started that trend where you just like use, you know, one layer of makeup. I made a short doing that and I really like that too, but I wanted to look more done up today, so we're doing it. We're doing a bunch of layers of makeup today. I could leave the blush just like this with the hint of pink, the hint of the ombre thing going on, but I've been loving this Benefit Cosmetics blush in the shade Moon. It's the perfect color. So I'm gonna put that right on top where I put the more berry color of the blush. It just sets it off. It just sets it off in like the best way. And then I'm gonna put it on my eyes because we're gonna just do a full blush look. And we're gonna blend that blush from the eye into the blush right here. And that's another trend that I've really been loving. Blush and bronzer as eyeshadow, or like a wash of color. So freaking pretty. And then I'll put a little bit on my nose. I just love it. I just freaking love it so much. And then if you wanted to like just make it look a little more seamless, just powder the face a little bit more. I'm gonna do my brows real quick using this NYX product. Let me know, how are y'all doing? I feel like life is kicking my ass right now. Not like in a terrible way. I mean, this year has definitely been better than 2022, but I just be tired. Like, I find myself able to do like the bare minimum, or like not the bare minimum, 'cause I do more than the bare minimum, but like I find myself just always tired, not really having the energy for things that I used to have energy for, whether like it's work related or just like hanging out with people related. I'm definitely an introvert, so my social battery is not great, but I find that it's even worse than it used to be. I just be like, okay, I'm ready for my alone time now. Wow, I'm over it. I just find myself so tired lately, and I don't know if it's just me or if life is just tiring. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, the brows look actually better than I thought they were gonna look. I think I'm gonna leave them. I don't want to play with them too much and then end up hating them. All right, that NYX brow tamer did something. I use this Morphe brow pencil. All right, so the last trend that I want to try is these no glue instant lashes. It is from the KISS brand. Apparently you don't need anything, just what it comes with, and you pop it on like a press on. They're calling it press on falsies. I don't know how this is about to go, because one thing about me, I'm terrible with lashes. Like, I just can't do them. I'm terrible with them. So I feel like if you're telling me that you're press on and easy in one step, like even me should be able to do it. So these are the voluminous. I wonder if I should get the other one, because I probably don't want voluminous. You know, I'm a real simple girl. Let me spray my face down with this One Size setting spray before I forget. Okay, now I found the natural one, because I'm not about to put on no voluminous. Then I'm gonna be miserable, because I'm gonna be like, oh my god, it's giving cartoon. Pick a cluster from the tray, place cluster underneath your natural lash, squeeze cluster and lash together with the applicator, bing bam boom. Just press and go. All right, all right. I'm in Miami, don't embarrass me. You know, don't let the heat take you out. I'm kind of worried about this, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna just hope for the best. All right, this is what we're working with. This is what we're working with. Grab this one. This is what it looks like. We're gonna start at the corner. I'm so nervous. Let me lift up my lash a bit. All right, first attempt didn't work. Let's try it again. We're not gonna give up. We're gonna just keep going. All right, second attempt. Whew. Press together. I think we're on. I think we are in business. That was stressful. All right. So the second one, I'll probably do like 2 or 3 per eye. I don't really like this. I don't like putting on lashes. Okay. Got it in place. Squeeze together. Whew. Not this eye watering, child. Chill out. We can't afford that. We don't got time for that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not the first lash coming off. Not me about to give up. Because I do not have time for this. All right. I think it's on. I would have been better off putting on some mascara. I would have been, because I'm stressed out. This done just ruined the vibe. Whew, I'm just some coffee. I'm getting stressed out. And I probably should have put on the voluminous ones, because natural ones, you can't even see them. I don't even see it. For real, for real. That's crazy. Okay. All right. I think we're in the clear. I'm hot. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm hot as hell in here. I think, it's trying to blind me. It's trying to blind me. I'm done. Can't do it. Can't do it. Look, came out so easy. Can't do it. Ooh. Let me give me a real tissue. Wow. Oh my God. I tried and that was terrible. That was wow. We're gonna just take our L, and before I end up tearing up and ruining my makeup, we're gonna just take our L and we're gonna move on, because I'm not doing it. Wow, that's no thanks. So what I'm gonna do is put a little liner on, do a little something bedazzle, a little wing, put on my mascara, and cut the video off. Because wow, that was something now, wasn't it? Their Real Extreme Precision Liner from Benefit, and it's a brown shade, so it's not black. It's a little bit more subtle, a little bit more chill vibes, you know? And I'm just gonna do a little baby wing. Nothing too crazy. And I like this brown because I feel like it just looks more chill. Like, I didn't even try to do this, y'all. I just, you know, naturally have winged eyes. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't believe them lashes tried to play me. 2 mascaras of choice. This looks so good and we ain't even done yet, okay? We ain't even done yet. So now we're gonna go in with the Lash Idol. Just to thicken them a bit and put the finishing touches. I like it so far. So last step is a lip combo, and I've been loving this lip combo. This video might as well be trying trends, but also telling y'all my latest favorites. So this is the Doso Colors Nematang lip liner in chocolate chip. You can't buy this by itself, unfortunately. So I need a dupe. I need a brown this exact shade, because the shade is perfect. And then this Lancome lipstick in the shade But First Cafe. Perfect again. Come on. So some days I'm like a basic girl. I like this, you know, nothing too glossy, nothing too extra. But today, pulling out the Fenty Beauty Heat in Fussy. A light pink tone to it, but mainly I'm using it for the gloss, the thickness, the shimmer, you know? And that's it. And that's it. Wow. Wow. Come on. Come on. Tell me this don't look fire. Not my eye still watering. Not the freaking lashes attempt got my eyes leaking. Pink under eye powder. Ombre blush. Blush all over the face. I tried the lashes, didn't work out. That's okay because it still came together so good. And I'll have everything linked for y'all down below. If you're not following me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, I be everywhere. Change that. @KandidKinks, same name. Support me all over the internet because it's hard to post on here consistently. But I'll be posting everywhere all the time. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video full of TikTok trends, makeup trends, all kind of stuff. You know, this hair got redone, but it's looking like it needs to be taken out sometime soon. So I'll be back with that. Trust me, I'll be back with that. If you watch this entire video, leave a comment down with a brown emoji, a brown heart, a chocolate bar, whatever you want to do. Let me know that you're really here with me so I can get motivated to post on here because I miss y'all. Y'all are my most, like, I feel closer to you guys more than any of my other platforms, but it just takes 10 years to edit and post on here. But I'm making effort this year. Y'all told me y'all miss me, so I gotta come back because I heard you was looking for me. Let me go. Not lipstick on my teeth the whole time. I hope not. Wow. I'm gonna do a get ready with me on Instagram with my whole outfit that I think is gonna look so cute. So go check that out. I'll link it down below if I already posted it. Thanks so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with and everything. All I wanna hear is an